Hey guys, welcome back to Philly Sports Reports. This is the channel if you want to learn about Philadelphia sports and what is going on in the Philadelphia sports. This very second, terrible lighting because of this. It's really cool. Plugs into the wall. It's an Eagles light up thing. Okay, so I am at my friend's. John, if you want to see his last video, click up there. I don't know which corner it is. It's the right hand corner. Chris is over there.
We have to go. Are you neutral?
I'm not on a team.
Oh, come on.
Okay, so I'm at my friend John's house. If you want to see his last video, click somewhere there. He probably said that.
Hello.
So I'm at his birthday party, and we are going go-kart race, and then we're going to bed. It's a sleepover party. I'll have probably an 14 minute video. Pretty long video. So yeah. Let's get started. We're in the car and we are going to a go-kart place. The go-kart place is called No Clue. And I'm telling you, it's not called No Clue.
We just don't know the name.
We just don't know the name.
Show them the finger of Jake.
I have Jason with his glasses on. We have a creepy thing. We have Sam, we have Chris, we have Matthew. We have John in front. We have his mom next to him. Because John unfortunately got shotgun, even though I'm like the tallest person in the car except Chris.
No, I'm like one of the tallest.
I'm 4'10".
I'm like almost 5.
Guys,
I'm 4'7". I'm 4'8". I'm 7.
I can buy a Lamborghini. I can. Yes, I
Okay.
can.
No, you're shorter than me. I'm 4'7".
I'm 4'6" and a half.
Okay, alright, let's just stop saying our heights and let's say what we're thankful for. No. So we're going to this go-kart
people
place.
behind us, and they're us. They're
And I want everybody to do the Eagle shit right now. E-A-G-L-E-S, Eagles! Matthew didn't like that. He's a Bucks fan. That's why, I don't know. E-A-G-L-E-S, Eagles! B-U-C-K-S.
It's B-U-C-C.
Okay, so I'm just gonna end it because this clip has been very long. So I'll show you guys when we get there. It's pretty dark outside. Here, they're all the way down there. It's really hard to see, but look at this tire.
Do you know what this is for? This is for when people bump into the wall.
Yeah, it's pretty hard. Here comes the guy with the GoPro! Of course, a personal time. Last round. Really blurry. Sorry, it's really blurry. It's not focusing. There's John over there. They got mini golf. Look at this. Wow. Mini golf. Look at this. This is really cool. Wow. This place is awesome. Own little party room. Watching the NBA dunk contest I think is on right now. We got tokens, we got first place stuff, we got couches, we got there's a side, there's missing a block. We got lots of stuff. Oh, it's the all-star celebrity stuff. And then my ruffles. So it's pretty cool. I don't know what this is. I think it's like a whiteboard. I don't know. But that's loud. It's really cool here. Own little party room. Watching the NBA dunk contest I think is on right now. We got tokens, we got first place stuff, we got couches, we got there's a side, there's missing a block. think it's like a whiteboard. I don't know. But, oh, that's why. It's really cool here. Skee ball. We're going to put in 3 tokens. Well, what's that? And you have tokens. Don't spend like a stupid person. Just like save them because I only got 3 left and I only played 2 games. That's The Walking Dead, and that person is very creepy. Whoa! Jeez. And we're gonna watch him for a little.
The only way to kill him is to shoot.
Dude, you could have saved someone, but you murdered them.
Oh crap, I missed again. Guys, you know if you fail, I need you to move, Jason. You know if you fail, it's a health penalty. Jason, can you move, please?
I'm gonna show you my results. So what was this? The first one, I don't remember, but I got last place. And then the second one, I got last place. But the last one, I got second place. I still don't get how Logan got in front of me. So now we're going back to the arcade. Just love this sound.
Yeah, I kind of do.
It's so sweet right there on here. I don't like it. Matthew likes the sound. I don't know if Chris likes it. Matthew got second. I got second. Yeah, I don't like that sound. If you like the sound, I'm going to put it up in the right-hand corner. Tap the cake. Oh, it's on. Birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday, dear Johnny Mac. Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha. Ooh la la. Shoo-shoo-la. Hi-ya. Scooby-Doo. Channel 2. Happy birthday to you and many more. What are you trying for? These things suck, you know that, right?
I want to get back. Back
The
there.
ice cream?
No, underneath it.
Come on, pick another.
John, shoot! John is going for 3. He is going for 3, I guess.
John, you're the manhunter. John, you and Chris.
Air ball. We're playing manhunt. Lots of people over there. And he's attacked. Oh my goodness! Is this the Seidler's house? No. I said to everybody about this. Very complicated game, and it's really cold outside. It's not that cold outside. I mean, look at Jason. He's got no jacket. He's got no jacket on. He's got shorts on.
I won this last night.
Yeah. I don't know where Chris is.
I do.
Oh, I see him. We gotta get over there. There's Chris, and we're running away.
No, Matthew has a scooter.
Ah, Matthew has a scooter. This is creepy. Yeah. No. I would have connection for a live stream.
Oh yeah.
How'd you get Jason?
Ooh, muddy.
I did it! Jason, what do you have to say about this game? Tell me.
Tiring.
Very tiring and
No, I don't trust you.
Sam, what do you think about this game?
It's tiring. Hey, that's what I said.
John said it's very stressful. I didn't say anything. We're running away. Matthew stopped. Guys, Matthew stopped. So, we're just standing here. And Matthew's coming for us. Matthew is currently under a car.
Matthew's trying to get us out of his property.
Behind a car, yeah. This is a strange game. This game is so strange, baby! Down. And by the way, these are last clips. So we woke up, so they are in the morning. Not from the day before.
That is true.
And probably the rest of the clips you're going to see will be from the morning.